Hi friends, one thing which I learned during my UPSC prelims preparation is that if you start solving each and every question which comes in the prelims examination only by your knowledge, then it is next to impossible to crack the prelims examination. Guys, every year more than 50 questions you will encounter where you do not have the complete information. Guys, what I have experienced is UPSC deliberately frames those questions where it is next to impossible to solve those questions only by factual knowledge. Guys, you will see a lot of questions UPSC frames where you will think why this fact has been put. Okay, so today I am going to tell you with one example why UPSC frames these questions and what should be your psychology, what should be your strategy throughout the year of preparation so that you do not waste your time reading something which is not needed. Guys, my name is Santosh Pandey. I have cracked the UPSC prelims examination 6 out of 6 times. I have the unique distinction of getting one of the highest marks in the UPSC prelims examination consistently. I have scored more than 30 to 40 marks more than the cutoff consistently. You can see some of my scorecards. And today I'm going to show you how UPSC frames the question, the mentality, the psychology, the mindset, so that once you learn that mindset, called the winner's mindset, prelims winner's mindset, no one can stop you from cracking the UPSC prelims examination. Guys, today morning only I was talking to one candidate. He was writing the 7th prelims this year. He is writing the 7th prelim this year, and he has qualified 2 or 3 prelims in her the previous attempt. Okay, so just imagine a fresh candidate and a person who's writing his or her 7th attempt. Just imagine, can a fresh candidate first attempt compete with this guy only on knowledge? No, it cannot be possible. Someone who is preparing for this examination for 7 years and someone who is just a fresher first attempt, how can you compete only on knowledge? So this video will be very important for those who are writing their first attempt or second attempt. Guys, do not get carried away by going after knowledge. If you go after knowledge, then it is a never ending loop. It is like a chakravyuh. You are stuck in the chakravyuh. If you want to come out of the chakravyuh, only this elimination trick can help you come out of the chakravyuh. You have to master it in the next 90 days. How to master it, that also I'm going to tell you. So let us start with one question of the UPSC. Okay, so this question came in 2022. Just recently this question has come. Let us read the question and I'm going to prove a point here. If you like my point, then you can just give this video thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you do not like, you can just move on. Okay, so let us read this question. With reference to United Nations Credentials Committee, consider the following statements. First statement says it is a committee set up by UN Security Council and works under its supervision. Second statement, it is traditionally meets in March, June and September every year. It assesses credentials of all UN members before submitting a report to the General Assembly for approval. So let us first, before solving this, let me discuss something. Okay, so if suppose there was a candidate who attempted this 2022 and suppose he did not solve this question inside the exam or he got it wrong. So what will be the psychology of this aspirant, or what will be the mindset of this aspirant? Oh, UPSC is asking such kind of questions. They are asking the committees. They are asking the committees also of the UN. So he will start doing the Google search, and he will prepare all committees next time. He will prepare all committees next time. When he attempts 2023, he will be surprised that this year there is no question on UN committees. This is the trap. This is the trap. Generally what happens when you come across a type of question, okay, and if you are not able to solve that year, and if you fail that year and you are again writing the exam next year, what do? You start researching over the similar kind of content so that you expect that question to come next year, but next year you will see you wasted the entire year and you prepared all the committee, but next year UPSC did not ask any question on similar lines. So what I trying to tell is that do not waste your time preparing such fringe element questions. Do not waste your time. Such questions, UPSC is not testing your knowledge. UPSC is testing your common sense, your intelligence. Guys, there is a difference between knowledge and intelligence. Knowledge means hard work. You have to read a lot and you have to gather knowledge. Intelligence is with the limited knowledge, you apply and you get the things done. You get the outcome. That is what is called intelligent. Intelligent people get things done. Knowledgeable people, they have a lot of knowledge, but they might not be able to get the things done. UPSC needs intelligent people, smart people who can get things done with the limited resources they have. So let me just solve this question using my unique elimination trick without any knowledge. Again, I'm saying I will solve this question without any knowledge and using my own elimination tricks which I have been sharing for the last 3-4 years. Okay. So guys, one of the trick which I have, it says that factual statements are incorrect. Factual statements are incorrect in UPSC 99% of the cases. So guys, this statement 2, if you see this statement 2, if you see this statement 2, it says that it traditionally meets in March, June and September every year. So this will be an incorrect statement because it has a lot of facts and also it uses every year. So generally every, all these kinds of statements are also incorrect, but fact, okay, facts are incorrect. So I will blindly follow my elimination techniques. Generally facts are incorrect in UPSC. If you see a lot of facts, generally those statements will be incorrect. Okay. So now I am left with, you can see here, I eliminate this, I eliminate this. I am left with option A and option B. Okay. So it says 1 and 3 and 3 only. So basically I have to see statement 1. I have to say statement 1. Okay. So let us read statement 1 and statement 3. First statement says it is a committee set up by the UN Security Council and works under its supervision. So it says that it is a committee under UN Security Council and works under its supervision. And statement 3 says it assesses the credentials of all UN members before submitting a report to General Assembly for approval. Okay. So there are two elimination tricks where I will apply here. You see, first is a common sense. Okay, common sense means if there is one committee which is under the UN Security Council, will it submit the report to UN General Assembly for approval, or will it submit the report to UN Security Council for approval? Just common sense you apply. If there is a one committee and if it is under the working supervision of UN Security Council and it submits an important report, will it submit to UN Security Council or will it submit to UN General Assembly just for approval? Okay, just a common sense. So anyone with common sense can say that statement 1 and statement 3 cannot be together correct. Cannot be together correct. Okay. So this means what? We get the answer statement 3 means A only is the answer. But here one more elimination techniques, if you have learned if you have gone through all my elimination technique, there is one elimination technique which says that generally aim, objective of any body, of any scheme is correct in UPSC. Always it is correct in UPSC. Aims will be definitely correct in the UPSC. So statement 1 does not talks about the aim. It just talks about the structure. But statement 3 talks about the aim, that it assesses the credentials of all UN members before submitting a report to the General Assembly. Okay. So statement 3 is correct. Okay, statement 3 is correct. Some people will say that, okay, that sir, statement 3 is what? Statement 3 is all, having the all. So we will remove statement 3 and we will remove statement 2. Our answer is 1 only, but there is no 1 only. You can see this. This means what? You have to apply elimination technique, but you have to apply elimination technique with some intelligence. You cannot just blindly go without any intelligence, without any common sense. You have to apply elimination technique. No, you have to apply elimination technique with common sense. Guys, let me tell you, this marks which I have scored here, you can see some of my marks. This is not only because of knowledge, it is because of the common sense, because of the intelligence. That is what I am trying to help candidates learn and develop this ability of intelligent guessing. Once you develop this ability of intelligent guessing, no one can stop you. Guys, there may be a 7th attempt candidate, there may be an 8th attempt candidate, but if you are in first attempt also, but if you have learned all my elimination technique, you can see in my Lakshya course, And in my Optima course, you see elimination techniques I have taught. Scientific way, polity elimination technique, economy elimination technique. You can see here, prelims 2023, how many questions? 33 questions I have solved using elimination technique, term based elimination technique, science based elimination technique. You can extreme word elimination technique, environment elimination technique. Nowhere in India, I can tell you, even if you are paying 5 lakhs rupees to a coaching institute, no one can teach you this. No one can teach you this, because very few people know this. Very few people have done it themselves. Guys, use this if you really want to crack this examination with less effort. Again, I am stressing, guys, I'm not saying that you cannot read such question. You can go and read all the coaching institute material in the country, read everything in the book. Oh, you obviously you will be able to solve and clear the prelims cutoff. But do you want to go through that? Do you want to go through 7th attempt, 8th attempt? It is not worth it, guys. It is not worth it, because it can be easily cracked. Prelims can be easily cracked if you have the right mindset. And I have cracked it. I'm talking from my own experience. I have the proof in front of you. I'm not saying for the sake of saying. So if you really want to crack this with less effort, if you want to go through less pain and more gain, then this is can help you do that. Guys, please do consider liking this video and sharing this video with all the UPSC 2024 aspirants. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and God bless you.